Hello, everybody. I have a friend today. His name is Buddy, and he wanted me to read to him. And I told him I was going to read to you. So he said, "Can I listen?" And I said, "Of course." So today we have a book about rain. And this is the poem you probably know about rain. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and didn't get up till the morning. I have a book that's called It's Raining, It's Pouring, and it's by Kim Eagle and illustrated by Rob Gilbert. And this book's a little bit different, so let's open it and see. It's raining, it's pouring. Some pictures for you. Oh, look at his umbrella. It must be raining hard. Got their little cat, and the grandma, and the old man. They're trying to keep the rain out. The rain must be coming in because they've got their buckets out and the buckets are catching the rain. Let me get situated here. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. They're in bed and they're going even looks like the fish are in the room with them. And can you see? It's raining so hard, there's water coming in. Oh my goodness. They've got buckets and teacups and pitchers and glasses and all kinds of things catching that water. Oh, look at this. So much water came in the house. He bumped his head, and when he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Oh my goodness, I wonder if he's having a dream. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. He's gonna sneeze, look out. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. Look at that. Can you blow real hard? Achoo! And he blew the stars. Ooh, now it's wintertime. It's snowing, it's blowing, and the old man is growing. Look at that cold winter breeze and all the snowflakes. And he's inside, and Grandma's making cookies, and he can't wait to see them and to eat them. And the cookies are done. Then he ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. He ate so much he got a big tummy, and his buttons popped. And he broke the chair, there was so much of him. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Who makes honey? Do you know? The bees. Here's a beehive. Ooh, the beehive is full of bees, and I see 1, 2, 3 bees coming out. He tried to seize a batch of bees, and they didn't think it was funny. Look at all the bees now. They're coming all around him, and he's pretty scared, and he's running away. Now it's cold again. It's cold and damp and chilly. The man's name is Willie. So Willie is very chilly. Look at the kitty cat. What's he doing? Willie fell down the well, it looks like. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly. Now somebody's got to go get him out. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife's name is Cindy. Windy and Cindy rhyme. Now they're out having a nice picnic. And when it's windy, it's fun to fly a kite. And look what shape that kite is. It's a diamond. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Look at them, they got so many ants on there. There's so many ants that came to their picnic and they're crawling up and they're like, oh, jiggly, get rid of these ants, get rid of these ants. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezing, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. So he's very happy when he goes to bed and he doesn't bump his head. Look at the little bunny slippers. And they're getting a nice night of sleep. The end. And here's the song that we were saying before was a poem. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. And I'll read the last one too. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezing, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. So you can make up some verses of your own. That was a great book. Glad to share it with you. See you next time. Buddy, say goodbye. Ruff, ruff. Bye-bye.